Okay guys, we are back with our 1/25th scale AMT construction bulldozer. Quick recap, this is what we've got completed so far. If you remember from the last episode, we had an issue with this inside here fitting, and we unfortunately had to leave the cooling fan off, but we will survive. See, everything else went together okay. Had a little issues with the engine mounts popping back up, but I was able to use some super glue and get them super glued back down. So looks like today we are going to be working on our operator platform. Got our work cut out for us on this one. A lot of little pieces, a lot of chrome pieces. Might pose a little bit of a problem gluing, but we'll get it going here. As you can see, I got everything clipped out already, and I think we're going to go ahead and start down here with the seat. So let's get going. Okay, I forgot to clean off some of the pieces before we got them going here, so I'm going to go ahead and get that stuck on there and get that glued in. All right, we got our seat all put together. I think that's how that's supposed to be. Like I said, the instructions aren't very clear on this model. Not really impressed with it, but I think that's it. All right, we'll be back with our next step. Okay guys, this was kind of a bear to do these little sub pieces here. I'm going to show you what I got. I got those rails on there. I'm going to leave that off because I'm going to paint and weather that. Same with that. Got the seat done. Got the control panel done. Got the hydraulic tank, the gas tank done. Got the shift and the battery box done and together. So I'm going to bring the main piece back over that we already got done, and then we're going to put these sub-assemblies on, and I think we'll call it good for this episode once we get these done here. So alrighty, let's rock and roll. Okay, it took me a little bit to get that to fit in there, but we got it nice and snug. So I'm going to go ahead and get some glue in there, get that held down. Make sure we're nice and good. Alrighty, then it looks like we got the diamond plate, which I'm going to go ahead and paint all that yellow anyways, because I want to weather this one. I want this one to look like it's beat pretty good. That's a good fit inside there finally. Alrighty, got that part in there. And it looks like we need to do the hydraulic tank, which looks like that's going to fit right here. Alrighty, let that dry on there. Alright, so we can get this battery box. It's going to go right here, which is location B, it says. Got a nice, this one actually has a nice little outline on where it's supposed to go, so that makes it nice. All right, battery box on. All right, gas tank. I think that's the way it's supposed to go. So I'm gonna go and hit it with some glue. Trying to start getting it locked in place here. Keeps wanting to slide down a little bit. I think we're supposed to be up that high. We're going to come underneath, hit it with some under here, kind of prevent it from sliding down any more than it already has. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, and I think our seat is next. I think that's gonna fit right down here. Which I believe is what I'm gonna go ahead and work on next, is getting some paint on this bad boy. And then we'll go from there. I think this is going to wrap it up for this one, guys. Quick recap. As you can see, got all this done here. Again, fitting was a major issue with the pieces just fitting right, but we made it work. Yeah, we'll just keep plugging away at it. It'll turn out good. Just get some paint on it. It'll look pretty sharp. But until next episode, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next episode, guys. Thanks. Bye.